Hi guys. Every week we get questions around salary protection or income protection and what is it and how does it work and how do I claim it and all those wonderful things. So I thought this week we'll have just a little bit of a chat around salary protection and what it is and how important it is. And when you think in your finances, unfortunately, all our goals and our aspirations and all our life dreams are unfortunately built around us continuing to earn our money. So if you can imagine, you're earning 40 grand or 30 grand or 50 grand a year today. And if you're unable to go to work, suddenly that income drops to about 11,000, which is the state benefit. So if you're unable to work and if you don't have some sort of insurance in place, suddenly your financial world is devastated. If you consider all the bills that you're doing, paying your mortgage, saving for retirement, saving for your kids' education, saving for your holiday, if you're suddenly, your financials are decimated, how are you going to continue to do that? So who pays you? And that's really what income protection is and salary protection. Now, some companies call it income protection, others salary protection. It's the same thing. I mean, there's no difference in the two covers. It's the same plan. But the idea behind it is that it replaces up to 75% of your salary. And the whole point is that it allows you to have your standard of living to continue even if you're out sick and unable to work. And that's the trick, that you're unable to work, that your income falls, something kicks in to replace your income and allows you to continue your financial freedom that you've got while you're working. Now, we see the difference it makes every day when we're able to help people continue their life. And unfortunately, in my life, I've had to claim salary protection twice, where I've been out of work for in excess of a year, the first time, and almost 2 years in the second time. And without some sort of income coming in, my world is going to be decimated financially as well. And it's even more important for those that are self-employed and even company directors, because as self-employed company directors, you don't have even the illness benefit that you get from the state. For self-employed, it's even more important that you actually have some form of protections in place. And as well as that, if you look at your biggest asset, most people look at their biggest asset and think it's their home or their savings or their business. But in a sense, if you're earning 40 grand a year and you've 30 years to go to retirement, well, that's 1.2 mil. So suddenly you're insuring 1.2 mil. So for most of us, that's probably going to be our biggest asset. So it is important. Salary protection would be the second most important protections that we would see that people should put in place. So life cover being the first one, salary protection being the next one, because it does have such a devastating effect on your financial goals if you're unable to work. So guys, take time to understand it. Have a look at this blog. If you have any questions or queries around salary protections, as always, we're here to answer your questions and to help. Give us a shout.